Hi everyone, it's Miss Jera. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Sorry that we could not be in class. We will hopefully be back April 13th. Today I am going to show you how to do Burlington English at home. I know that some of you have been having trouble logging in. So I am going to show you in this video. I am going to use my computer, but it is not that much different from using your phone. The first thing that you need to do is you need to type your username. Your username is the first three letters of your last name and the first two letters of your first name, and then the number 19. The next thing that we are going to type is your password. Your password is password. If you do not know how to spell password, the word is right here. Password. No capital letters. Then you click log in. Good job. On your phone, you will only have these four. What we are going to do is we are going to click courses. Again, we are going to click courses. We are going to click courses. Yay! There should be a guy right here. Then we click student lessons, the first one. We are in the lessons. Each week, I will have you work on a different lesson. If I wanted to work on a certain lesson, like last week, we worked on about me. I click about me. Then I asked you to work on lesson 3. This is my family. Each lesson has you do something. You practice one set of words. For example, for this one, we are going to practice the word baby.
Baby.
It says baby. I listen to it say baby. Then I record my voice saying baby. Watch me. Baby. Baby. If I want to know what a baby looks like, I can click the picture. It shows me a baby. If I want to hear what I said, I can click here.
Baby.
See, I listen to myself. We can choose another word.
Children.
Children. I can listen again.
Children.
Now I record my voice. Children. Children. I only did 2 times, so only 2 spots. I can see a picture of children. In this picture, there are 3 children. If I want to, I can check my answer. I go here to the bottom and I press check. On your phone, it will be here. Let's check my answer. I press OK. I got 16 points. See right here. Good job, Miss Jera. Yay! High five! Now we are going to go to the next page. Here, we're going to listen.
Sun.
It said sun. This is not a sun.
Daughter.
Daughter. This is a daughter. So I would pick this answer. You have to answer all of these. Good job, Miss Jera. High five. That is this section. If I want to do number 3, I click number 3. I can drag the picture, the word to the picture. I think, is this parents? If you cannot read the word, you might want to go back to number 1. You can listen again. Good job. You can go on to words 2. Same thing. Remember, same. You practice words again. Number 7, you listen. You hit the play button and listen.
Who's that?
That's my grandmother.
She said grandmother. Grandmother is this picture. I click this picture. Good job, Miss Jera. The next section is section 8. This is a conversation where 2 people are talking. Let's listen to the conversation.
Is that your family?
Yes.
Who's that?
That's my husband.
Who's that?
That's my son, and that's my daughter.
Who's that?
That's my mother.
It's a nice picture.
We could listen again if we would like to. Then they have a question. When you finish the question, you can hit check. Good job, Miss Jera. High five. I'm going to go to section 9. Section 9, we listen. Let's listen.
Is that your family?
Yes.
Who's that?
That's my husband.
Who's that?
That's my son, and that's my daughter.
Who's that?
That's my mother.
It's a nice picture.
They read to us. We could listen again. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to read. We can read or we can listen. I'm going to listen.
Maria's family. This is Maria's family.
They highlight each of the part they are reading so you can follow along.
Steve is Maria's husband. Bianca and Alex are Maria's parents. Maria has 3 children. Her son is Diego, and her daughters are Julia and Emma. Emma is a baby.
Now they would like us to take this information and answer the questions. Number 1 says Maria are Bianca's and Alex. Are they her sons, parents, or children? We have to look here. Bianca and Alex are Maria's parents. Okay, parents is the answer. I'm going to answer all of these. Then I press check. Good job, Miss Jera. High five. Next, I go to portfolio. Number 11. I look at the words. I read the words. If I do not know the words, I do not click. Baby. I know baby. I click baby. Good job, Miss Jera. I save to my portfolio right here. Good job. High five, Miss Jera. I go to number 12. Number 12, you have to type or type. They show you example right here. I click here. I can read. My name is Natalia. This is my husband, Jacob. These are my children. My son is 7. My daughter is 10. This is my mother, Alexandria. And this is my father, Philippe. See the picture? We are going to exit. We can go back if we need help. The first thing they want us to type is our name. My name is Jera. If I had a picture, I could say, this is my husband. My husband. These are my parents.